Can I register my dog with AKC Without Papers?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to discuss a question that often puzzles dog owners. Can I register my dog with the American Kennel Club, AKC, without papers? We'll cover the basics of AKC registration and the options available if you don't have the necessary paperwork.
What is the AKC and Why Register?
The AKC, or American Kennel Club, is a reputable organization that maintains the largest registry of purebred dogs in the U.S. Registering your dog with the AKC has several benefits. It can make your dog eligible to participate in dog shows, sporting events, and other official AKC events. Moreover, it provides a traceable lineage record, which is helpful for breeders.
Is AKC registration possible without papers?
Now, to the main question, can you register your dog without papers? The simple answer is, it's complicated. The AKC primarily operates on the basis of paperwork, meaning they need a verifiable lineage to register a dog officially. However, there are certain circumstances where registration might be possible without the conventional paperwork.
The AKC's PAL ILP program.
If you don't have papers for your dog, one possible solution is the AKC's Purebred Alternative Listing, Indefinite Listing Privilege, PAL ILP. This program allows dogs who are spayed or neutered and are of a breed recognized by the AKC, but without the necessary paperwork, to participate in certain AKC events.
AKC Canine Partners Program.
Alternatively, if your dog is mixed breed, you may consider the AKC Canine Partners Program. This program allows mixed breed dogs or dogs ineligible for AKC registration to participate in certain AKC events.
What if I don't have any of these options?
If neither of the above options apply to your situation, it might be challenging to register your dog with the AKC without papers. The AKC generally requires a documented lineage to ensure that the dog is of a breed they recognize. In summary, while registering your dog with the AKC without papers can be difficult, there are a few alternatives that might work for you, such as the PAL ILP program or the Canine Partners Program. If these options are not applicable, you may have to reconsider your reasons for wanting AKC registration. Remember, the most important thing is that your dog is happy, healthy, and loved, whether it's AKC registered or not.